What's up, guys? I hope you're having a nice day, and I'm welcoming you back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to quickly buy the node, buy the LayerEdge CLI node. Okay, for I think for about $4 to $5. Okay, so the process is very simple. So all you have to do is I would advise, okay, that I think it's going to be easier if you use the MetaMask wallet itself. Okay, just in case you have your MetaMask wallet extension on your Mrs. browser, you can copy the seed phrase and import your wallet to an app like this, to the official MetaMask app. Okay, it's always easy there. So let's quickly get into our MetaMask app and then see what is expected of us to do. All right, so it's loading. All right, now let's get in. Okay, so as you can see, first thing you have to know is that you have to have some Ethereum in your wallet. Okay, you need to have a minimum of $4 to $5 worth of Ethereum on your wallet. Okay, and it's going to be in the base network. Okay, it has to be in the base network. So now let's quickly go to our dashboard. Okay, I already started earlier, but I thought it's important to make this video, so let me disconnect and go back. Let's go back to LayerEdge. All right, let's come back to LayerEdge. Okay, so now the process I'm going to show you is the one that involves it involves those that did the OG pass. Remember the last time I made a video on how to buy your OG pass? You know, there was a free pass and then there was the OG pass that cost us around just $2 to $3. Okay, so now the link we have on our LayerEdge dashboard, okay, it's for those that have the OG pass, those that paid $2 to $3 for the OG pass. So that's what I'm going to show you now, how to now buy the node. Okay, if you have an OG pass, this link is going to show you how, or is this link that's going to help you to buy your CLI node and activate it. So as you can see at the top, we have a link. It shows VRFRS. Okay, that's verifier. So we're going to click on it. We're going to go to the verifier site quickly. Okay, and then all we have to do is click on okay. So by the top here, it will show connect wallet. So I already connected my wallet, all right, but let me just disconnect it and show you how to connect. So I'm going to click connect wallet. Okay, oh, I'm coming. Connect wallet, MetaMask, connect, and the wallet is connected. So it's going to take a few seconds to a minute for this page to load. So I'm going to pause the video to wait for it to load. Okay guys, so it took up to a minute to load. So as you can see, I have an OG pass, so all I have to do is verify ownership. Okay, click on verify ownership, success. Okay, I've verified ownership, and then here we're going to click on buy now. Okay, buy now, like this. All right, so it says okay, base is blah blah blah, $3.97 to activate. All right, so I have so I'm going to click on confirm. Transaction submitted, waiting for confirmation. Transaction complete. All right, transaction complete. All right, so we've paid. So now it's supposed to show us where to click on deploy. Okay, that's to activate the node. So let's refresh. Let's reload the page. Okay, reloading the page takes it to load again, so I'm going to pause it. Okay guys, you see, after just refreshing my page, it has showed me the button to deploy my node. Okay, so I'm going to click on deploy now. It says verifying node. Okay, so I'm going to have to confirm the transaction. Okay, and okay, so I'm supposed to wait to receive confirmation that our node has been deployed. All right, so let's minimize and come back to our LayerEdge dashboard to see if our node has been deployed. Still loading. Okay, So it hasn't been done yet, but so I'll quickly show you why. So when we come to our Twitter, oh god, I left there. All right, so sorry about that. Yeah, so when we come to Twitter, we'll see a post from LayerEdge. Who is downloading one next page? Sorry, stop, cancel. All right, good. So there's a post from them here 12 hours ago where it says the maintenance is taking longer than expected just for linking CLI to the dashboard. So rest everything on the dashboard works normally. Rest assured points are intact, but linking to your CLI to the dashboard may take up to 18 plus hours from now. Thank you for your patience while we're on it. So this post was made 12 hours ago, so it's not up to 18 hours already. All right. So when you pay for your node, you click on deploy. It's not yet deployed. Do not panic, okay? Do not panic. There's still time for. There's still much more time to wait for it. So let's try it again for a second time. If it doesn't work this time around, then I'll just have to leave it for another 6 hours. But rest assured, you've paid already, okay? Your transaction is already successful. Confirm. Fail to deploy, okay, due to all right, good. So remember when we started, we had like $21 worth of Ethereum, so they've already debited up to $4 worth of Ethereum, okay? So yes, and I'll advise for something, okay? Remember what before we were about to buy the OG pass, remember we had to I told you guys that we had to buy Ethereum from the exchange, okay? Buying it from the exchange to deposit here, you need to have at least I think at least up to $20 worth of Ethereum before you can be able to transfer from the exchange. So to avoid all that extra stress, you could just maybe buy it one time, and okay, once you buy your Ethereum to your wallet, you could just leave it there, okay? Just forget about it. So for any transaction you need to do that involves MetaMask, you just come and do it easily. You don't have to start buying from the exchange again. So you might even be broke, or you might even not have money by that time. So once you just buy like 20, 30, 50, okay, just put it on your wallet and forget about it there for any transaction, okay? So it says clearly that our node is going to deploy, so we'll just wait some extra hours to see what happens. So that's simply it. And for those, remember, this process is for those that have paid for their OG pass, okay? Most guys did not pay for the OG pass. Most guys did for the free pass, okay? So in case you did for the free pass, there's other websites that could do that for you. So just in case you need a tutorial, I need me to show you how to do that. For those that did not get the OG pass, you could tell me in the comments, okay? And that's all for today's video, okay? If you're seeing this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, like the video, share it, okay? For others to see. If it's on TikTok, follow me for more. If you're seeing this on Instagram, do the same thing, okay? And I'll be back with more meaningful videos. Thank you and see you next time.